Sometimes motivation to work out shows up at odd times, like late at night or right after a big meal when you suddenly think about getting back on track. And that random spark is often where a gym membership starts to sound practical, which is also where a Planet Fitness membership fits in because it connects affordability with a low-pressure environment. And as you learn more about it, the idea of fitness feels less intimidating and more approachable, while one benefit leads into another. The brand is known for its judgment-free zone concept, and that idea links directly to beginners or casual gym goers who might feel nervous in traditional gyms, because not everyone wants a hardcore atmosphere. When you walk into a typical location, the bright colors, simple layout, and mix of cardio and strength machines create a space that feels open. And that openness connects comfort with consistency, since people are more likely to return when they don't feel judged. Instead of focusing on extreme training, the environment encourages steady habits, and that bridge between comfort and routine is what keeps many members coming back. The Black Card membership adds extra perks, and those perks bridge value with variety because members can visit multiple locations, bring a guest, and use extras like massage chairs or tanning in participating clubs. For some people, those benefits make the gym feel more like a flexible wellness space rather than just a workout room. There are also basic orientation sessions available in many locations, and those sessions connect guidance with confidence for people who don't know where to start. Of course, every gym has rules and peak hours, and Planet Fitness is no different, but the focus stays on accessibility and affordability, which links realistic pricing with long-term use. Many members join because the cost feels manageable compared to other gyms, and that affordability removes one common barrier to fitness. Over time, going to the gym can become part of a routine, like stopping by after work or early in the morning, because the environment doesn't demand perfection, it just supports showing up. Then you might go in for a short workout and end up staying longer, and that turns into trying a new machine and then into building a small habit. And somewhere between scanning your tag at the entrance and finishing a session, you realize the hardest part was just starting. And the thought kind of drifts toward the next workout you might squeeze into your day. And that's it. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.